We know that the UPSC Prelims 2024 has just concluded, and we're here to help you understand, analyze, and excel in your preparation journey. Hello, aspirants. I'm your host, and welcome to ReWiSe IAS. To stay updated with our latest content. At ReWiSe IAS, we believe in providing you with the best resources and strategies to ace the UPSC exams. That's why we've designed a unique and comprehensive series to help you with the UPSC Prelims 2024 question paper. In this series, we're not just going to give you the answers. We're going to break down the entire question paper into multiple short videos, each focusing on specific sections like history, polity, geography, environment, and more. This way, you can easily find and focus on the solutions you need the most. But that's not all. To make learning more engaging and fun, we'll use animated explainers. These animations will help you understand complex answers in a visually appealing and easy-to-digest manner. We're also going to dive deep into the question paper with our in-depth analysis and strategy videos. We'll discuss the difficulty level, question patterns, and provide you with effective strategies to tackle similar questions in the future. This isn't just about solutions. It's about mastering the art of answering UPSC questions. For those who prefer quick insights, we'll be creating YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. These are 1-minute solution videos for individual questions that can quickly give you the answers and tips you need. Perfect for learning on the go. We want you to be an active part of your learning journey. And for those complex questions, we'll be conducting mind mapping sessions. These sessions will help you visualize and understand the connections between different concepts, making your learning more effective and long-lasting. So, whether you're looking for detailed solutions, quick answers, or effective strategies, ReWiSe IAS has got you covered. Stay tuned as we embark on this exciting journey to help you conquer the UPSC Prelims. Remember, success in UPSC is not just about hard work, but also about working smart. Let's make this journey together, smarter and more efficient. Don't forget to subscribe to ReWiSe IAS and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Share this video with your fellow aspirants, and let's build a strong community of future civil servants. Thank you for joining us. Stay motivated, stay focused, and let's achieve success together.